What if I told you this isn't just a classic convertible? It's one of the rarest, most expensive luxury statements America ever put on wheels, built in numbers so low most people never even saw one. And today, owning a 1954 Buick Skylark isn't about driving, it's about owning a piece of automotive royalty. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you live for rare metal, timeless luxury, and machines that defined eras, you're in the right place. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, because today we are stepping into one of the most exclusive, open, top masterpieces America ever produced, the 1954 Buick Skylark Convertible. Imagine America in the early 1950s. Post-war confidence is at its peak, highways are opening, optimism is everywhere, and luxury is no longer subtle, it's celebrated. Into this moment rolls a car that wasn't built to compete on price, practicality, or production numbers. It was built to make a statement. The 1954 Buick Skylark wasn't just another convertible, it was Buick's rolling declaration that luxury, performance, and design could coexist in flawless harmony. From the very first glance, the Skylark commands attention in a way few cars ever have. The proportions are long, low, and impossibly elegant. The body lines flow like liquid chrome under sunlight, accentuated by carefully sculpted contours that feel more like fine art than stamped steel. This is a car designed to be admired slowly, from every angle, because no single viewpoint captures its full presence. The wide stance, the subtle rear fender treatment, and the perfectly balanced front end all work together to create a silhouette that feels confident without being aggressive, refined without being restrained. Step closer and the details begin to reveal why the Skylark sat at the very top of Buick's lineup. Chrome isn't just applied, it's curated. Each piece is positioned with intent, framing the car's form rather than overwhelming it. The iconic Buick grille feels regal, almost architectural, and the exclusive wire wheels instantly separate this car from anything else on the road in 1954. This was not a mass-produced convertible. This was a rolling luxury object meant for a very specific audience. Drop into the interior, and you're instantly transported into a world where craftsmanship mattered more than cost. The cabin feels open yet intimate, designed to make every drive feel like a private event. Rich upholstery wraps around the seats, door panels, and dash with a level of attention that feels almost bespoke. The materials don't shout, they whisper confidence. Every surface you touch feels substantial, deliberate, and indulgent. This is the kind of interior where time slows down, where driving isn't rushed, and where the journey matters just as much as the destination. The dashboard is a symphony of chrome accents, beautifully arranged gauges, and classic Buick design language. Everything is laid out for elegance first, function second. Because the Skylark wasn't trying to be sporty or utilitarian, it was designed to make its driver feel important. The steering wheel sits proudly in front of you, large and commanding, reminding you that this car was built during an era when driving was an experience, not a task. Under the hood lies one of Buick's greatest engineering achievements of the era, the legendary Nailhead V8. Smooth, torquey, and refined, this engine wasn't about raw aggression. It was about effortless motion. Turn the key and the Skylark comes alive with a sound that feels polished, confident, and composed. Power delivery is smooth and linear, perfectly matched to the car's luxury, focused personality. This is an engine that doesn't demand attention, it earns it. On the road, the 1954 Buick Skylark glides rather than drives. The suspension soaks up imperfections with grace, making even imperfect pavement feel ceremonial. Steering is light, deliberate, and reassuring, encouraging relaxed cruising rather than aggressive inputs. This is a car built for coastal roads, sunset drives, and long stretches of open highway where the top is down and the world feels endless. And let's talk about exclusivity, because this is where the Skylark truly separates itself from nearly everything else of its time. Only around 36 examples were produced. That's not a typo. In an era of booming American automotive production, the Skylark remained rare by design. It was expensive when new, positioned far above the average buyer, and intended for those who wanted something truly special. Owning a Skylark in in 1954 wasn't just about transportation, it was about status, taste, and distinction. Today, that rarity has transformed the Skylark into one of the most desirable post-war American convertibles in existence. Collectors don't just chase these cars, they wait for them. When one appears, especially a properly restored or well-preserved example, it commands serious attention and serious money. Values reflect not only its scarcity, but its importance in Buicks history and American automotive design as a whole. What makes the 1954 Skylark so compelling is that it represents a moment when manufacturers weren't afraid to build something extraordinary simply because they could. It wasn't created to maximize profit margins or meet market research targets. It was created to inspire, to impress, and to elevate the brand. And decades later, that intention still resonates every time one rolls onto a concours lawn or glides through a classic car event with the top-down sunlight bouncing off polished chrome and that Nailhead V8 humming effortlessly. The Skylark feels timeless. It doesn't feel old. It doesn't feel outdated. It feels eternal, like a snapshot of America at its most confident, most optimistic, and most stylish. This is a car that reminds us why we fell in love with automobiles in the first place. The 1954 Buick Skylark Convertible isn't just a classic car. It's a symbol of luxury without compromise, design without fear, and craftsmanship without shortcuts. It stands as proof that some cars are more than machines. They are experiences, memories, and legacies on wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most elegant American convertibles ever made, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what legendary machine you want to see next. Until then, keep the passion alive, keep chasing timeless metal, and I'll see you in the next one.